beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Knalah Andrea, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my lock retwist by doing 2-strand twists. And I'm just going to show you guys how I get it. Let's go. So I like to start off with water, jojoba oil, and black castor oil, which are my favorite oils right now, and they just leave my hair moisturized and hydrated and just looks really healthy. So I like to start off my twist by taking one lock twisting counterclockwise. And once you start twisting the lock, you can see all the hair gathering together, which is what we're seeing now. And I just like to start twisting it by my fingers. And then once I get low enough, I start to palm roll, as you can see right here. And then I take both of the locks and I just start twisting them together just like you would if you were doing regular 2-strand twists with 2 pieces of hair. And that's basically how I get my 2-strand twist. So I'm definitely going to show you guys again multiple times in this video on how I twist my hair, but that was the first lock. I already did start my hair and this is kind of in the middle of it, so let's go again. We're starting to twist counterclockwise away from myself and then we palm roll. You do have to make sure that you have all the hair for that part in that hair or it will look a mess. My parts aren't perfect. I'm not a cosmetologist, but I'm comfortable doing my own hair now, so I kind of have an idea of how I like for my hair to look. So it's whatever you like personally, but I like to palm roll until I get the small knot and then I start to twist the hair together. And it's really simple. I never thought I would be able to do locks. I thought those were like the hardest thing to do until I got them myself. So I like to twist all the way down. I didn't secure these twists with rubber bands because I didn't have any and all my rubber bands are all over the place. But you can definitely use rubber bands at the end of these looks. I know that would be really cute, especially if you use colors or whatever you prefer. But yeah, we just twist it all the way down and that's about it. It's a really easy hairstyle. It actually makes the hair retwist very quick because trying to do one twist all over my head, I have like 73 locks, so yeah, so it's very hard for me to get every lock in a timely manner. So this is a very easy and quick and kind of fun style to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just make sure you have your water, your oils, your hair is damp or wet. I did wash my hair before I did this look, so I was just refreshing it with water. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. This is a really easy look. I'm kind of glad that I filmed this for you guys because I've been meaning to. This is like my 3rd video I've tried and I'm kind of satisfied with this one, so yay. If you guys try this style, please let me know. Tag me in your looks. This is super fun. Hopefully I can get some more hairstyle videos out for you guys soon. And I'm just going to let this video keep rolling. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to basically explain to you guys how I do this. You can replay this video as many times as you want and need, especially if you have locks and you want to try them at home on yourself. So I forgot to mention to you guys that I actually am twisting my hair with the Jamaican Mango Lime lock twisting gel that I actually referred one of my friends to. She also has locks and she really likes it. She actually went to go pick up like a second bottle or a little jar. And I really like it, but if you guys have any recommendations that you think I should use or try and talk about in a new video, then please let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you love this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.